Have you ever thought about starting a dairy farm in Kenya? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. First, we must dive into research and planning. Understanding the Kenyan dairy industry, market demand, competition, and potential challenges is crucial. You'll also need to develop a business plan detailing your goals, budget, and operational specifics. Next, land and infrastructure. You'll need a suitable piece of land, large enough for grazing and essential structures such as a cowshed and storage facilities. Remember, secure fencing is a must to keep your animals safe. Water supply is our third step. Your dairy cows will need a clean and reliable water source. Good hydration is key to milk production and overall health. Fourth, choosing your dairy cows. Selecting suitable breeds like Friesian, Ayrshire, or Guernsey is vital. Always purchase from reputable sources and ensure your cows have the correct documentation and vaccinations. Our fifth step is all about feed and nutrition. A balanced feeding program, including a mix of roughage and concentrates, is essential. Silage, hay, and concentrates rich in protein and energy are common feed options. Sixth, healthcare and veterinary services. Regular health checkups, vaccinations, and a disease prevention program are crucial for maintaining your herd's well-being. Seventh, the milking infrastructure. Quality milking equipment and proper training on milking techniques are necessary. A clean, well-ventilated milking area is also a must. Eighth, milk storage and handling. Cooling equipment to maintain the milk's freshness and quality is fundamental. A hygienic and well-ventilated milk storage facility is also required. Ninth, marketing and sales. You'll need a marketing strategy for your milk, whether selling directly to consumers, local markets, or supplying to dairy processors. Building relationships with local vendors, supermarkets, or restaurants can also be beneficial. Our final step, compliance and regulations. Familiarize yourself with local regulations and licensing requirements for dairy farming. Adherence to food safety standards is also essential to maintain the quality of your milk. Now let's talk about food. For forage, consider Napier grass, Boma Rhodes, or Lucerne. Concentrates like maize bran, dairy meal, and soybean meal are also beneficial. Don't forget mineral supplements and plenty of clean water. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting a dairy farm in Kenya. Remember, consultation with local agricultural extension services, veterinarians, and experienced dairy farmers is invaluable. Always stay informed about advancements in dairy farming practices to optimize your operation. Stay tuned for more.